Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 263. If we start with this column, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. If we look at this bottom row, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. For this box now, we're missing 3, 4, and 7. We've got a 4 covering both of these boxes, so our 4 must be here. But I don't see any other help. So 3, 7, 3, 7. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 6. We've got a 1 and 2 here, so our 6 must be here. 2 here, so 1, 2. For this box now, we're missing 3, 7, and 8. We've got 7 covering this box and a 7 covering this box, so our 7 must be here. But I don't see any other help, so 3, 8, 3, 8. If we look at this box, we're missing 1, 5, and 8. We've got a 5 and 8 covering this box, so this is our 1. 8 here, so 5, 8. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're missing a 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 5, and 7. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 7. 7 here, so 4, 5. 5 here, so 4, 7. For this row, we're missing 5, 7, and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 5, 9. 5 here, so 7, 9. 5 and 9 here means this is our 7, 9, 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 8, and 9. We've got 2 and 9 here, so this is our 8. 2 here, so 9, 2. For this column now, we're missing 8 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 8, 9. For this column, we're missing 3, 6, and 8. We've got 3 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 3, 8. For this box now, we're missing 1, 3, and 4. We've got a 1 here and a 3 here, so this is our 4. That 1 means this is our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 7, 3. Oh, and this 8 makes this our 3, 8. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're missing an 8. For this box now, we're missing 6 and 7. And I don't see any help. So 6, 7, 6, 7. For this column, we're missing 1 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 1, 5. And for this box now, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6, 3. That 6 makes this our 7, 6. That 7 makes this our 4, 5, and 7. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have an awesome day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.